Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make floral letter decor for your baby's nursery or for anywhere else in your house that you want to put it. So let's just get right into it. So to start off, you'll get a letter of your choice, some fake flowers, a hot glue stick with the glue sticks that match it, a paper plate, and some scissors. Now when it comes to the flowers, I like to get small ones that I can cut off and apply them individually. So after a few minutes of having your hot glue gun plugged in, I like to check just to make sure that the glue is completely ready to go, so I just put a little bit on the plate to make sure. Before I really got started, my husband made me some hot chocolate. I got sitting on the ground, everything on the ground, and got a show on so I could be comfortable while doing the craft. I think that is a must. So next I'm just cutting off each of the individual flowers. I like to leave a little bit of the stem to make it easier to glue on. It also helps so that the petals don't fall off. I bought a total of 3 bunches of flowers just to be safe, but I ended up only using about 1.5 or a little bit more than that. So once I had some of my flowers cut, I decided to start putting them on my letter. I started by putting a little bit of hot glue on the letter and then taking the flower stem side down and pushing it down on the letter. You can decide how long you feel necessary to push it down, but this is how I did it for the very first one. And then you're just going to continue on by placing each flower next to each other, stem down. Once I ran out of the flowers, I started to cut them again so I could continue on with the project. I like to work mostly on the inside of the letter first instead of worrying about the border. I kind of was getting on the border here, but I kind of like to work on the inside, get the whole inside done, and then work on the perimeter later. So as you can see, I got the inside done, so I started to work on the perimeter of the letter. And what I like to do here is get the stem and kind of tuck it in underneath the flowers so that the stem doesn't show and so that it's a little bit more secure. After I finish that up, I like to look through the edges of the letter and see if there's any bare spots that I need to fill in with any flowers. I also do this with the entire letter just to make sure that there are no spots that have any wood on it or that it look a little bit more scant than the rest of it. And there you have it, you've got your letter done. This one was for my daughter May, and the other one is for our daughter with still a name as a surprise. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.